Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about why snakes are afraid of mantis. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it is uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now snakes, by that I mean you cannot generalize that all of the snakes are actually afraid of mantis, but there are snakes that actually avoid mantises. There are small ones especially, because mantis are fierce predators and they can hunt down a big prey and almost equivalent to their size or even greater than their weight. So they have these special abilities within them that allows them to hunt down bigger prey, and they know how to actually kill a snake, especially the small ones. I'm not talking about the big ones, because the big ones are definitely not in their least because they're way too bigger for the mantis, but the small snakes that are over there can become easy victim to these mantises. Mantises are even seen to eat mice and then hummingbirds, so you can get an idea of what kind of food they eat. They can eat almost any kind of thing. Even the big predators like chameleon, which is supposed to eat a mantis, sometimes becomes prey to the mantis, because mantis are very specialized in killing, because they have a very special set of weapons in their body that allows them to hunt down bigger prey. Now whenever they start hunting, unlike any other predators, they actually use their spike as the weapons and then capture the prey. And then along with that, when the prey struggle more, the mantis carefully moves his body in a way that allows the prey to get captured in a more bad way. And along with that, eventually when the mantis realizes that it has got to the vital spot from where it can start eating him, it starts eating them. For example, the vital spots for a snake is their head. So if the mantis reaches the snake's head, it will start eating them, which will kill the snakes almost immediately. Once the snake is dead, then it's the game over. It's a really easy thing for the mantis, no matter how long the snake is. Not like anacondas, but relative to the size of the mantis, it can be like let's say a few feet long, and the mantis can easily devour that after it kills the prey. Of course, now if the snake is struggling too much, it's not going to start devouring it from the tail, but instead it will move around to his head. It will start eating from the head, and once the snake is dead, then it will swallow the entire body. Now if the mantis on the other hand should have started it from the tail, it could have been very difficult for the mantis, because snakes are also fast and they can also be very dangerous. Even if they are not venomous, they can still attack the mantis and can do a lot of harm. So the most dangerous weapon of the snake is in their head. And mantises are careful of that, and they know that they have to adjust themselves in a way so that they can capture only the head, and then once they eat them or almost kill them, because the head is the vital spot, and when they start eating them or damages it significantly, the snake dies and then eventually devours the snake. Now the small snakes obviously avoid mantises in general because they know they can be a threat, but it's not always possible for the snake to actually avoid them, because these snakes cannot see the camouflage through the camouflage of these mantises. Mantises are really great in camouflages, and it's really hard to spot them when they are in that mode. They usually does this and does ambush attack in all of the prey. It doesn't hunt down. So the ambush is the best way to hunt down any kind of reptiles or animals, any kind of potential prey. So you can identify that how important they are, how significant their camouflage is, and how difficult it is to spot them when they are camouflaged. And so does the snake. Snakes also cannot spot them, and they think it's a part of the environment and goes close to them, and then the mantis hunt them down. And for most of the time, if the snake is way too big, the mantis won't even attempt. But if the snake is relatively small and almost their size, or maybe a little bit bigger than them, the mantis will start attacking them. And with the powerful jaw and their powerful fang, they will start eating them and will kill the snake in a short period of time. So that's why snakes avoid mantises, and that's why the snakes are scared of mantises. So that's it for this video. I hope you find your answer from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week. There is a Monday and Friday. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, notification bell. Thank you.